Hey, Daniel here from Duran, and we will go through the top 3 products on Product Hunt for this week and briefly analyze them from a UX and product perspective to see how they onboard and activate customers. So let's begin. The first product is Boost.space 4.0. So let's visit the website. Oh, the cookie constant as usual. Are you ready to let's make AI data best friends, shall we? Okay, it might be just a Product Hunt landing page. So yeah, let's see if this is just a Product Hunt landing page or the general landing page. Oh, it's a Product Hunt landing page. So on the main homepage, basically we have a lot of information here with a bit of an unconventional call to actions, I would say, solutions and how it works. And we have login, get started, and marketplace here on top. We have a lot of stuff happening here, some logos as usual, and yeah, a lot of cards again, micro solutions, meet applications, app flows, and badges that help with getting a bit of proof. So yeah, there is a lot of stuff happening on the page, as you can see. Logos again, the same that we had on top, but as you can see, these are not clients. It's verified and trusted by, I'm not sure what they're referring to here. And get started here, this button kind of blends into the background a lot, and again a big footer. Okay, so we can try solutions just to see. Oh, solutions basically just scrolls this down, and we have learn more, contact sales. So it looks like they are more towards direct sales than more product-led motion, let's put it that way. Okay, let's click on get started, see where it goes. So we have two options: go to marketplace, app flows, and build from scratch, and contact sales. So if we go to the marketplace, we get here, you can browse these, and we have a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so it's basically just a marketplace for AI workflows, as you can see, that you can browse and install. Cool. Okay, let's move to the next one. Agent Place, the platform for creating interactive AI websites and apps. Okay, that sounds promising. Agentic websites and apps. Okay, so clear website with this ask me anything on top. Let's see, this is the main one. Okay, so this is the main. Ask me anything here as well. Build now, and this one quite a lot of black things here, which like these two have the same weight, but they definitely not the same importance. So I would still highlight the build now and de-emphasize the product of the day a bit. Built on AI model. Okay, some bento boxes, use text to build, use ready to make components. And highlight a couple of things from the product review and publish. And there are some templates, which is usually a good starting point for a lot of products. And we have the pricing page, which is free, scale, and enterprise. Okay, let's try this out. Build now, sign in with Google, no other options, as you can see. And here we are. What's the purpose of your agent? Okay, let's try personal page agent. Let's see what that thing does. What information would you like to include in your personal page? Maybe portfolio, why not? So the only problem that I have with these kind of input boxes is that a lot of times you don't necessarily know what to add in there, and this really, I would say this really doesn't help. It's just a bunch of words here, but I click on something, it scrolls down, and don't know what's inputted there. Eventually, maybe some kind of examples would be really helpful, or guidance on what should I write here. So what type of projects or work would you like to showcase? Let's say graphic design, why not? What would you like to include an additional? Maybe a short about me, and oh, there is a bunch of questions. Anything else? And if I would say no, then I don't have the option here to say no. Maybe if I just type it in, let's say contact information, upload images to personalize and enhance your agent's capabilities. Okay, so I'm not sure how these images will be used at this stage. So yeah, what kind of images. It's like logos or images with myself. Let's just upload the logo for now. Okay, try the agent. Let's see what the agent opens another tab. And so that's the thing that was generated. And what should I do next? I honestly have no clue. We can also generate a dashboard. Let's try a dashboard if it's anything different. Maybe a new agent. Okay, so I definitely don't really get the hang out of it, so I will leave it as it is. Basically, it says that it helps you to create AI apps and websites, but I don't know, it looks a bit challenging to use for now. It's an interesting idea, but yeah, definitely a bit challenging to use. Okay, the next one is CAP, beautiful screen recordings owned by you, 100% open source. Okay, looks pretty so far. Screen, okay, it's quite easy to understand what the product does. Screenshot for, yeah, with the actual product. Simplicity, that looks nice. If I click get started, we can try it for free. Oh, I have to download it. Okay, let's download this. Let's install it. Okay, and let's see if it's already working. Yep, security. And here it is. Welcome to CAP. Get started. So yeah, grant permissions. Here it is. Okay, permissions granted. And this one, now both of them are request, but I'm not sure things are right at this moment. Oh, this one turned to granted. This is still request permission, but here it is checked. Let's try once more. Okay, so it looks like it's working. For some reason it doesn't change there, but yeah, I also didn't quit the whole thing, so it might be that. Sign in to CAP. Yeah, let's sign in. Continue with Google. Let's go the easy way. Something happened there, and kind of this is it. This is the whole thingy. We have camera that you already have to allow as well, and also audio which you have to allow again, and you can record the screen. Oh, this is nice actually. This looks nice. Settings here. You can even move it to dark mode, and you have also open cap on web. Let's see what this thing. Oh, so you have also dashboard. Cool. And there is also a pro plan, so $6 per month. Custom storage and unlimited cloud storage. Nice. Awesome. So let's try two more products, since like the first one was not quite a product that we could go through. Chrono, all-in-one sales automation platform for B2B sales teams. Okay, find leads, close deals, grow faster. Nice. It's a product hand logo there. Screenshot of the app. This kind of bit blends into the background with the demo. Oh, there's a free trial and the login. Trusted by, nice logos. Have to close the cookies here. Bit of a description of the platform. Actually, at least from the screenshots, the platform looks nice. Okay, integration and so on. Okay, let's see if we can try it out. Okay, agree with this, get started. This is the email, so we have sign up or click the following link. Let's click on sign up, and we have to add a password. Okay, let's just see something. Okay, so once you start typing in the password, these things appear. Usually and it also jumps weirdly. I usually prefer if those things are like straight there, so you know what to expect. But yeah, fine. Let's create the password. Oh, they already mentioned that there is like 14 days free trial. Okay, we just have to fill in all this information. Next, okay, we have Chrono standalone and choose CR. We can go with the standalone, see where it leads. You can invite your team. We skip this one for now. You can install a Chrome extension again, and it's quite nice that the site changes every time based on what you have here. Okay, and now you get here and you can opt between installing the extension or getting in the web platform. Let's get into the web platform. There is a welcome message with a couple of things that you should act on. So first of all, yeah, install the extension, then add contacts, create your first strategy, which I'm not sure what it is, add contacts to the strategy, and run your tasks. Now, as you can see, you can skip the onboarding here. You can also watch the videos. and you have instructions for everything that you need. There is a place to go through leads, filter them. There you can create lists. You have templates for different stuff and strategies. I'm not sure what strategies are, but I also didn't use the whole app, so yeah, it makes sense, I guess. Cool, that looks quite nice. Looks somewhat similar to other tools like Snow or Apollo, I would say, but otherwise looks nice. I'm not sure how I get back to the onboarding once I left it. This is analytics, which is a bit weird that this is on the side versus these here. I assume, okay, how should I get back to the onboarding part? Oh, finish onboarding, it's here. It's a bit hidden though. It would be nice maybe to have it here on top. Makes easier to get back once you navigate from this. But yeah, kind of that's it. And the last one is Spark-based. Book high intent sales calls on autopilot. So we have another sales tool. Okay, value prop. Again, the email and get started. Look at demo, get started. I assume this is also, oh, they have a free trial, so it might work at least for the free trial. They have a community on Slack. The website looks nice. There's also video and a screenshot of the app on itself, which looks nice. Again, logos, testimonials for trust building, which is a good idea. Some highlights of the product, testimonial once more. Oh, they went basically with highlight on the product, testimonial, highlight of the product, testimonial, and so on. And some bento boxes at the end, and get started again. Okay, let's click get started. Let's go with this one on top. Okay, so we also have this verification, and now this is quite empty. I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to be, but this part is quite empty. Google, let's go with Google. This is the onboarding part. So Roundup.co, next, your role. So I'm the founder, company size, you are still small, and euro. Just leave this as they are. Here about us. So they collect a lot of information up front. Okay, what sales tools are you using now? And I assume I should click this, but it's a bit weird. They are asking about tools, no tools. We have to turn this on, and then we can select the tools, and then you can describe your company's personality. They scrapped all this stuff from the website already, which is a nice touch actually. You don't have to go through the whole stuff. You can review it and correct the stuff that is not working for you, but otherwise it's nice that you don't have to add a lot of information. It's not just a blank canvas. And I assume from the same, also from the website, they extract all this stuff. So value props and pain points and proof points and all that is here. You can, as you can see, you can edit, you can delete, you can add more. And when you click finish, they create an ideal prospect list. Okay, there are a bunch of people here. You can create and continue the list, or you can skip. Create and continue, and they are looking for signals. So recent company news, funding information, product or service updates. Let's go with funding information, and they also create a campaign. So basically you set the whole campaign up through this part. They find 9 leads, non-connected, and the leads are here. And you can start the campaign here on top. Okay, so yep, you also have the dashboard. You have an inbox where you can see all the answers and replies. It's here. This looks nice, and the onboarding was a nice touch. Basically, they walk you through the whole stuff, and they set up a campaign for you, and you don't have to add a lot of information because they scrap everything from the website, and you just have to review and correct and eventually add some stuff that are missing. The only thing which I found quite confusing, let's put it that way, is that basically you can see that you have one campaign created. You can go through all this information, but I don't find an option to, let's save on this. I don't find an option to either add more people to the list or just like delete the campaign. I have the option to create new, I have some settings here, but yeah, no option to actually delete the campaign, which is a bit weird for me. But yeah, nevertheless, the onboarding gets nice. Cool, so yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found some interesting information and maybe some tips and ideas that you can use for improving your own product. See you next week. Thanks.